is our pizza. Olives, non-toppings, tsaka cheese and tomatoes. Tomatoes.
Ayan. Kasama na naman natin si Donna, ang suki ng aking vlog. With Jigs. How's your ice cream?
Good. Strawberry. How about you?
May pansit. Masarap, may pansit. Good morning guys, welcome back again to my vlog. Today is October 19, it's a Sunday and we are here in Milan. So samahan niyo ako today, we will explore the city of Milan and tingnan natin kung ano ang pinagkaiba nito sa mga ibang lugar na napuntahan natin sa Italy. Let's go! Oh, here! Yo! This is another bread. Start of our lunch day here in Milan.
My favorite family. Okay. Ciao.
Hello.
Salata.
This is our salad. This is our pizza. Olives, non-toppings, tsaka cheese and tomatoes, tomato sauce.
And anchovy.
And anchovy. Nasaan yung anchovies dyan?
Yung isda.
Ah, okay.
Risotto.
So, this is risotto.
Na-disappoint ka?
How many risotto? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Say hi.
Dov'è il dentist?
Sono tutti denti.
Raga.
We want
Belli,
to
eh?
ask for
Nice.
No, we don't. Do you have floss in the restaurant?
So this is how it looks like here outside the restaurant. So many people. There. Ay, tingnan nyo itong ano na to, bush na to. Meron din sa Pilipinas ito, yung kinukortihan, parang mga Christmas tree or balls. Oh look, meron din ditong Tony and Guy na salon. Yan. Shoutout daw kay Enzo and kay Jigs. Na pagdating ng Pilipinas, hindi natin alam kung may trabaho pa. Na-promote na, customer. So, ayan. Nakalabas na tayo dun sa masikip na aisle. Nandito na tayo sa
Dapat kasi.
town proper.
Wala ako nakabutang sila. Simula nung umalis pa.
May Toyota. Ano kayang variant to? Oh, may train, no? May tram. Ayun, dapat yung mga ganong sasakyan yung mga nauuso sa Pilipinas para hindi problema yung parking. Oh, ito pa, may tram pa, oh. Ang cute, ganda. Piccolo, ano kaya yan? Oh, it's a theater.
Teatro di Europa.
So what can you say about Milan, Doc Gigi?
Milano, bellissimo.
Wala na ibang alam sabihin kundi bellissimo.
Bellissimo.
Beautiful.
Beautiful, yeah.
How about Easy for Sale?
Ise for sale. Bravissimo.
Ayan, oh. Ang ganda, ang ayos ng streets nila. Sana ganito rin sa Pilipinas. Maayos. Walang basura. Yun, oh, late ng sasakyan. Ang cute. Pormahan nila rito. Yan, ganyan. Okay, we're gonna cross. And siya ang aming tour guide. Hello, doggy, doggy, doggy. We're now here in the castle.
So, we are at Castello Sforzesco. This is hard. From the Sforza family.
Ano raw?
Basta kasi.
So this is the
Castle
castle.
from 1460.
14th century.
No, 15th century.
15th century.
1460, yes, because the century is over.
this
So they
is the
made a
castle.
dish with the three colors of the newborn flag, and they named it after the first queen, Margherita.
Why is it that the walls have holes? Oh, okay. I'm so excited to know.
Di put pineapple si Pizza.
Come here. The reason why I was telling you
Castello di
about-
Milano.
Come here, guys, that I show you the map of Milano. Okay.
Design though is a typical Roman architecture. Yeah. Ano kaya meron dito? Ayun, sa baba. So this is the inside of the castle.
This castle at the beginning was built by the left side. That side is the old city. This side is the new one. But you can also see the difference in the architecture, the colors, the down.
Lakad lang tayo. Ano name ng ano natin, tour guide? Ano name?
Katerina.
Hi Katerina, welcome to my vlog.
Ciao!
This is our tour guide.
Hi! Ciao! Then you have to share the link.
Yeah.
We got
That's
this
Katerina. Ay, ang ganda nito, oh. Parang may ano. Ang tawag dyan? May halaman sa gitna. Tapos may statue dito. I don't know who that is. Oh, my beagle. There's a beagle. May statue dito. Sino kaya to?
You see it straight there, and then
Yeah.
on the back, you are on a line.
Oh, it's
Can you
a
see
straight
it?
line, yeah.
Yes.
There.
So that direction, it's the Duomo.
Yeah.
The Duomo, it's aligned with the castle, that it's aligned with the Arc of Triumph,
There's the other
where
line.
we are supposed to go if we can make it.
Connecting. Ayun, punta na rin tayo dun sa Arc of Triumph. Meron din sila dito. We're gonna enter here first. So, ayan. Oh. Sino kaya yan? Oh, pink ladies. Oh, nice.
Poi le ha regalato.
This is so huge. Yan, oh. Ano kaya meron dito? Parang before it's a dungeon.
Say, I'm very protective with my group.
Barca. City tour na naman tayo.
If you don't well behave, I send you with her. I will give you sorry.
Daming tourists.
I like to
What's the symbol?
George nung ka.
So, nandito na ulit tayo. Nag-exit. Kami from the castle. Nandito na tayo ngayon sa... Ewan, saan ba tayo? Tawag tayo.
Ragazzi, ragazzi, ragazzi. The tower was remade in 1800. Few things about this tower. 1800. Up there, that's again up there, super top. You have the clock with the Visconti logo. Then that statue, it's very important. That's Sant'Ambrogio. Sant'Ambrogio is the patron of the city. And he's the guy
So,
who
yun daw yung
started
patron of the
spread
city.
Christianity in Milano.
Nag-spread ng
Building the
Christianity
first
dito sa
basilica.
Milan.
You know what's a basilica?
Tingnan niyo yung tindahan dito. It's a bus store. Yan. Ang daming tindahan. May mga sandwiches. 5 euros. May gelato. Nice. So, merong fountain here. Nice. So, ayan. Nandito tayo sa parang plaza nila. Lakad lang tayo, guys. So, may doggy, oh. May doggy na naman. It's a Shih Tzu.
Allora, in Thailand,
Ayan, mayroong pink tram. So, mga mode of transportation nila dito sa Milan.
there was no point.
Ayan, it's safe now to cross. Ayan, there's also a modern one coming. A modern tram.
Garibaldi is a general.
So that's General.
The guy who said
That's General Garibaldi.
1,000 men.
We are here in the shopping district of Milan. Ito yung kanilang shopping district. May McDonald's there. Ang dami. Lakad lang tayo, guys. Let's explore Milan. Oh, ang daming doggies, oh. Namimiss ko tuloy si Clover and Chloe.
The train from the airport to the city.
Sephora.
And there is a train every 20 minutes.
Okay, thank you.
So if you need the further
Restaurants.
through the website.
Calvin Klein.
I don't know if they also have the English version.
Calvin Klein. Nice, oh. Ganda ng building, oh. So, meron sila ritong Guess.
Great sense of fun.
May Hard Rock.
You have so many secrets.
Jenny,
Nice, oh. Yun, no? Pero silang... Yung shape niya parang LRT sa atin, yung LRT1, no?
I-check mo na lang. Check mo yung hotel
Trains.
din. Send ko sa yung hotel. Hotel name.
There.
Dito kami sa may Milan. Sa may mga shopping area.
Meron ditong putol na fingers na naiwan na yun nasa gitna. Nagmukha tuloy dirty finger. Yan, oh.
The purpose of the artist was to represent
Oh, kaya daw ganyan yan. Ang ano ng artist is para daw hindi na makasalot sa king. Parang it's a sign of rebellion daw. So that's the history of this art. Oh, mayroon ditong JP Morgan. You know, look at this building. This one is pila ng Starbucks. Yan, papasok. Pero hindi kami papasok sa loob ng Starbucks. Yan, Starbucks, Milano. Yan, ang laki ng Starbucks dito. Grabe. Ganda oh. What else? Subway? Is this a subway? No. Parang underpass lang. Oh, may boss. Ngayon, may mga metal artworks here, oh. So that's Duomo. It's a big church. Is a symbol of Milan. There. Very symbolic for Milan. Oh, guys. So we're now here in Duomo, the symbol of Milan. Ayan. So, sino kaya yan? Ayan, nandito tayo. Yehey! Nice. Nice. Ito yung kapaligiran niya. Yung palibot. So there. So we are going here. Inside the Galleria. So this is inside the Galleria. Mag-ingat daw sa mandurukot dito. This is the paradise of pickpockets. Ingat tayo. Yung bag natin nasa harap. My Rolex, Gucci, Chanel. Dito sa loob ng galleria, tingnan yung floors. Ang tiles. This is inside. Dami. Kaya lang nakakatakot. Marami raw manduks. So we are going out. We're here in Gucci. I don't know, baka hindi pwede mag-video. Oh, look at this dog. So we're buying some ice cream, some gelato. So ayan na. Sarap ng gelato. Sa Pilipinas hindi talaga ako basta-basta kumakain ng ice cream, lalo na pag in public. Kailangan nasa bahay kasi nag-aalburuto kagad yung tiyan ko. Pero fortunately dito sa Italy, hindi nasisira yung tiyan ko sa gelato. Sarap. How was your ice cream? How's your ice cream?
Good. Strawberry. How about you? What's that?
Mine is cherry. Oh, may mga chihuahua. So, nandito na tayo ngayon sa city. We're going to cross. Oh, my train. Oh, my tram ulit. And here is another tram coming. There. Punta kami dun sa bus. doon sa tour bus namin para makapunta na kami sa hotel. Kaya we are walking. Malamig ngayon. Siguro mga 16 degrees to. Tara, lakad tayo. Samahan niyo ako. It's already 6:09 PM. Medyo makulimlim na. Siguro dahil hindi rin maaraw ngayon. 6:09, look.
10 minutes more. Almost another 10 minutes.
Wala nang araw. Grabe, kanina pa kami lakad ng lakad. Pero dahil malamig, hindi mo maramdaman yung pagod. Hindi ka rin pinagpapawisan. Kaya masarap mamasyal at maglakad pag nasa malamig kang bansa. So, nandito kami ulit sa area ng castle. Anong ginagawa nun? Alam ko anong ginagawa niya. So, nandito na ulit kami sa may castle to look for our bus. May dog. So sana yun na yung bus namin. Ayan. Is that our bus? Oh, may dogs na naman. Sarap dito. Ang lamig. May mga grupo ng mga Chinese people. That's our bus. Nakarating na rin. Nakita na rin namin. So our bus. Dito kami ni Rocky in front of the restaurant, the Chinese restaurant for our dinner. Yan, dyan kami magdi-dinner. So, this will be our place for dinner. Sila. This is the mushroom.
Wow, parang kilala natin yung
Our rice. Shrimps.
Unit spoon.
Ano natin?
Kain na?
Kain na.
Offer sa unang kanin niya sa loob ng
2 weeks. This is bamboo. Mushroom.
Shrimp yang siya.
ask additional water aside from the drinks.
So let's try the shrimp. Sarap. Rice. Pansit. Masarap, may pansit. This is another, what's this? Fillet? Chicken, fish fillet or chicken fillet? This is another one. Try natin itong pansit. Sarap, namiss ko to. Tomatoes.
Uy, asap ng kanin. Kanin.
Mushroom. So that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed our trip in Milan. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. We'll be going to Switzerland tomorrow, so I'll see you on my next vlog. See ya.